Today we are going to discuss about some theorems on rank of a matrix. The rank of transpose of a matrix is same as rank of the matrix. In the statement of the theorem, we are asked to prove that rank of A is equal to rank of transpose. Okay, we are going to prove this. Proof. Let A be a matrix. Matrix of order m by n and A transpose be the index is the transpose of let R be the rank of A and S be the rank of A transpose. Rank of A is equal to R. By definition of rank of A, there exists at least one R-root square submatrix whose determinant is not equal to 0. Okay, so this implies there exists at least one R-root square submatrix R of A such that determinant of R is not equal to 0. We know that if A is a matrix, then transpose of A is this one. That means row in A is column in A transpose, and column in A transpose become the row of A. Okay. Now this implies there exists at least one R row square submatrix. Okay, in A transpose whose determinant is not equal to 0. As transpose of A is obtained by interchanging row and column of A. This implies if there is one R row square submatrix of A, R of A, such the determinant of R is not equal to 0. This implies there exists at least one R root square submatrix submatrix Rtex of A transpose such that not equal to 0. This implies rank of A transpose is either greater than or equal to R. Initially, we have considered has to be the rank of A transpose, okay? Therefore, S text is greater than equal to R, okay? This is S, rank of A transpose, that is S is greater than equal to R. So, since A equal to A transpose, so interchanging the rule here from here, interchanging the rule, we will get this, we will get since A equal to A transpose, so proceeding, same as above, we get R is less than equal to S, okay? R is equal to less than equal to S. From this and this, we have therefore R is equal to S. That is rank of A is equal to rank of A transpose. Right, this proceeding exactly proceeding as above, okay? Proceeding as above we get. With that, I would like to conclude. Remaining will be in the next lecture. Thank you.